How to backup your IMO account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here you can find a section called Settings. Tap on Settings. So now we in the Settings interface. Here you can find different options and can even customize it. Here tap on Chats. So here on the bottom there's a section of Chat Backup. Tap on Chat Backup. So basically this is the place where you can backup everything related to your account. Here you can include even images and videos, and here select on Backup Now. Now simply select the account with which you want to backup. Now it will take some time and can backup everything in this Google account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.